Hello guys, hi guys. Today I'm very happy to show you this website that lets you make money free. I'm so excited for me showing you such a website. I don't even know how to tell you how my joy is. I came across this website by watching a celebrity channel. I have TV. People, our celebrities, people of big people who have money are trading in this website earning more money. Just check in the description, there is a link there. I said check in the description, there is a link there. Before we start, if you know you are new to this channel, please join this channel, join this family. The name still remain Bope Tech TV. Just join. If it is not Bope Tech TV, then it's not this channel. So Bope Tech TV, just subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and be waiting for any notify. Anytime that a video is being uploaded, you'll be notified that a video is being uploaded. Like, share this video for you to go viral. Let everybody to get this video and watch, and put your comment in the comment section. Just go to the description and pick the link. For us not to waste time, if you tap on the link, it will take to the registration form. You just input your name. Let me go and show you how it looks like. Sorry, let's wait. This is how it look like. Now when you use the link in the description, this is how the registration form is. They are only requesting for your number, so you input your number here, send code. Now when you press on this send code or send your code, you put it here and press next, and your account will be verified. I already have account, so I will definitely log in into my account. So I'm to log in into my account and show you how it is. So this is the dashboard of this website. Now when you finish registering, this is how it will look like. Now this place that you see 5.570 USDT will be 0.00. So now what you need to do is check in the description. There is a Telegram link. Just go straight to that person. Just text, hello, I join your platform. So they'll ask you to send your ID number. So you send this number. Just type in your ID number for the person. This is my ID number. So you also type ID number for the person, and they will dash you a register bonus of $5. If only you don't have money, you will not recharge. But if you know you have money and you want to earn more, you can recharge more. Now we have from 30 coming down is level 1. From above 30 going to 300 is level 2, and above 300 going up is level 3. That's how it is in stages. The more your money, the higher you win. I only registered this account today and trade for today and earn 5% of my money. So I earn 0.570 USDT. Now because I don't have any capital to recharge, I'm only showing you this for you to know that it is very legit. I lost my money into fake this before finding this. Maybe in some few days I'll recharge more and be earning more. Now if you are here and you want, now just check in the description and register. Now when you finish and you hit on the Telegram link, it will move you to this woman called Dinah. Let me show you the name of the woman in the Telegram and how you are going to join the trading group. Now when you go to Exynos, you trade yourself this forex trading. Now these people, they are very kind to everyone. Now the reason why they are kind to everyone is they are doing this forex trading. So they will use your money and trade and give you 5% of what they earn. So if we all deposit our money, they use it and trade, and the trading no loss. if you just follow the procedures they give to you, you will not run lost. So when they stop, you also stop. So you follow them. They always start at 11. They always start at 12 noon, which is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So at that time, we just start. That is when they always come online and start. So let me show you this woman, the one who is going to dash you the free 5 USDT. This is Dana Serena. So the link will be there. When you just type hello, I just joined your platform. This is how we chat. Okay, tell me your ID. I put my ID here. Here is my ID. Now look at what she told me. She said 5 USDT has been given. Now you can follow the news of the group and trade with analysis focus. Now you ask yourself, where is this group they are talking? Just type on the image. Now to move, you just scroll down. When you scroll down like this, move from inside of media, go to groups. So you see the group here. This is the group. Just hit on this group. Automatically it will move you to this group. Now you will join this group. Now when it is 12 o'clock in the afternoon, this trading will start. Let me go and show you where we started from when it was 12 this afternoon. Now let me teach you how this trading go. I joined without any experience, but I use my mind and my everything to do it just because of research. And after that, we finish. When they finish, they will let you all screenshot your earning and show them, and they will open the group, and you will chat and understand each other's how this thing is good to you and all those things. So now let me teach you something here. We have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 5, stage 6, stage 7, stage 8. Now this is 30 USDT trading plan. For example, if you only have 5 USDT in your account, then when stage 5 fails, you won't have enough money to trade. So stage 6, and you will incur losses if you only have 15. You see, in the stage 8 is $16, 16 USDT. So if you are having 5 USDT like my own, you can earn more. So let's say if you have 30 USDT from stage 1 to stage 8, you can earn all. So this 16, let's say you stick 16 and earn 5% of this 16. Won't your money actually maybe earn going to 1 point something today? But just because I only have the 5 bonus they gave me, so as time go, I'll add 10 to it to be 15. So my trading will be going high for me. So now when you join this group and it's 12, this is what you are going to do. These stages they are talking of, there's something is about trade, this forex trading that we used to do with our daily life online. We have SNS trading. Now this is example. Now they will tell you trading orders date. This is their, you will select rice. When they ask you to select rice, you go to the website. Amount you have to use to trade is 0.1 USDT, and that is stage 1. So you select rice. That is when they just start and set trading start. They ask you to select rice. So at that time, you quickly go to your website. Let me just go to my website. Here is my website. Now you go to trade, and when you go to trade, your website open, you just go to trade. When you go to trade, we have rice here. And fall here. So when you go to rice, they ask you to pick rice. You just type in the rice now and hit on 0.1 and press in confirm. When you type on this confirm, they'll ask you transaction. When you just tap on this transaction, they'll say successful. So because they did not show me anything to trade, I'll just cancel it. I'm doing it for this teaching purpose. So when you just tap it like that, now you still be online there in the, go back to the Telegram room. When the second trading come, they tell you that's how you trade it, starting from 12 to 3, to break and come back 5 to 8. So that's how this trading is. So it's just only for you to have time for your phone, and you earn unlimited. This is very legit, and this website, they have all qualities. You can talk to them, their numbers and everything is there. So if anything is bothering you, can just hit me up in the comment section. Thank you, and you are always welcome for being in this channel. Please subscribe. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God, just subscribe to this channel.